Bound workshop in Grand Island, Nebraska. So, what colors do you like? All of them? Oh yeah, can you see? Can you see yourselves making more than one of these? Trying a different size, trying a different placement. This was a really fun day. The pattern's in my book, Scraps and Shirttails. I hope that you'll come see me another time. Maybe I'll get back out this way. We've had a great time with the Prairie Pioneer Quilters. Did I get that inside out? Oh, that was right? Okay. Thanks everybody for a wonderful day. We're at the State Fairgrounds in Grand Island. We'll catch you next time in the Quilt Room.